You ever stare at a trading chart, feeling like you're trying to decipher ancient hieroglyphics? Lines going everywhere, numbers flashing, and you're just sitting there, wondering, what in the world is this telling me? If you've ever felt that way, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're going to demystify one of the most powerful tools in your trading arsenal, the Gemini ActiveTrader charting tools. For many, the world of cryptocurrency trading can seem daunting. There's the volatility, the constant news cycle, and the sheer volume of information to process. But beneath all that, there's a structured, analytical side, and that's where charting comes in. It's not just about looking at pretty graphs, it's about understanding market psychology, identifying trends, and making informed decisions. And with Gemini ActiveTrader, you have access to a robust suite of tools that can transform you from a market spectator into a strategic participant. Before we dive deep into the technicalities, let's set the stage. Why are charting tools so crucial? Imagine trying to navigate a dense jungle without a map or compass. That's essentially what trading without charts is like. Charts provide a visual representation of price action over time. They allow you to see historical data, identify patterns, and project potential future movements. They're your map and compass in the volatile world of crypto. Gemini ActiveTrader isn't just another trading platform, it's designed for serious traders who demand more than basic buy and sell functionality. Its charting interface is powered by TradingView, a globally recognized leader in charting solutions. This means you're not just getting Gemini's expertise, you're leveraging the power of an industry-standard charting engine, complete with a vast array of indicators, drawing tools, and customization options. So, let's get down to business. How do you actually use these powerful tools? We're going to break it down step by step, from the absolute basics to some more advanced techniques. First things first, accessing the charts. When you log into Gemini ActiveTrader, you'll immediately notice the prominent charting window. By default, it will display the chart for the trading pair you currently have selected. If you want to change the pair, simply use the drop-down menu usually located near the top left of the charting interface. Here, you can select from a wide range of cryptocurrencies traded on Gemini. Now, let's talk about the fundamental building blocks of any chart, candlesticks. If you're new to trading, you might be used to simple line graphs. While line graphs show you the closing price over time, candlesticks offer a much richer picture. Each candlestick represents a specific period of time, whether it's 1 minute, 5 minutes, an hour, a day, or even a week. The body of the candlestick tells you the opening and closing price, while the wicks or shadows extend to show the highest and lowest prices reached during that period. Green, or sometimes white, candlesticks typically indicate that the closing price was higher than the opening price, a bullish candle, while red, or sometimes black, candlesticks indicate the opposite, a bearish candle. Understanding candlesticks is foundational to reading market sentiment. Next, let's explore the time frames. The time frame you choose directly impacts the kind of analysis you can perform. If you're a day trader, you might focus on shorter time frames like 1 minute, 5 minute, or 15-minute charts to catch quick price movements. If you're a swing trader, you might look at hourly or 4-hour charts to identify medium-term trends. And for long-term investors, daily or weekly charts provide a broader perspective. You can easily switch between these time frames using the drop-down menu often located next to the cryptocurrency pair selection. Experiment with different time frames to see how they change your perspective on the market. Alright, with the basics of candlesticks and time frames covered, let's move on to arguably the most powerful aspect of these charts, indicators. Indicators are mathematical calculations based on price, volume, or open interest that help traders gain insights into market conditions. Gemini ActiveTrader, thanks to its TradingView integration, offers a vast library of indicators. You'll typically find an Indicators or FX button on the top toolbar. Clicking this will open a search bar where you can type in the name of an indicator you want to add. Let's discuss a few popular and essential indicators. Moving averages, MA. These are lines on a chart that smooth out price data over a specific period. They help identify trends and potential support/resistance levels. There are different types, like simple moving averages, SMA, and exponential moving AWA, EMA. EMAs give more weight to recent prices, making them more responsive to current market conditions. When a shorter-term moving average crosses above a longer-term moving average, it's often seen as a bullish signal, and vice versa. Relative Strength Index, RSI. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It oscillates between 0 and 100. Traditionally, an asset is considered overbought when the RSI is above 70 and oversold when it's below 30. This can help you identify potential reversal points. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The MACD is a trend-following momentum indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages of an asset's price. It consists of the MACD line, the signal line, and a histogram. Traders often look for crossovers between the MACD line and the signal line, as well as divergence between the MACD and the price, to identify potential trend changes. Volume, while not an indicator in the traditional sense, volume is absolutely critical. It shows the number of assets traded within a specific period. High volume often confirms price movements. A strong price increase on high volume is more significant than one on low volume. You'll typically see volume bars at the bottom of your chart. Adding an indicator is simple. Search for it, click on it, and it will appear on your chart. Many indicators also have customizable settings. For example, with a moving average, you can change the period, e.g., from 20 to 50 or 200, to suit your trading strategy. Don't be afraid to experiment with these settings, but remember that too many indicators can lead to analysis paralysis. Start with a few, understand them well, and then gradually add more as you gain experience. Beyond indicators, Gemini ActiveTrader also provides a comprehensive suite of drawing tools. These are essential for technical analysis, allowing you to mark up your charts and identify key areas. You'll find these tools usually on the left-hand side toolbar of the charting interface. Some of the most commonly used drawing tools include trend lines. These are straight lines drawn on a chart to connect two or more price points, indicating the direction of the trend. An uptrend line connects successive higher lows, while a downtrend line connects successive lower highs. Trend lines can act as support or resistance. Horizontal lines, used to mark specific price levels that have acted as significant support or resistance in the past. These are crucial for identifying key entry and exit points. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.